Otherwise, Akhilesh Bhaiya will have a problem with me. Aarti, question, beta?
Actually, ma'am, I am in hospital, so because of that, I won't be able to on my video.
Okay, thank you very much, Aarti. I appreciate you letting me know. Okay. Um, Thank you, Aarti. All right. Everybody else, my name is Friyaz, and welcome to my conversational English class. I am a different type of teacher than what you are used to or than what you might be used to. I will speak a little in English today and a little in Hindi today, okay? So everybody can understand what I'm saying. बट आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोलेंगे ऑल राइट वी आर गोइंग टू बिगिन स्लोली बट आई हैव सम रूल्स फॉर माई क्लास व्हाट डू आई हैव
Some rules.
some rules. So let's start with some of the rules. Okay, rule number 1, when you want to speak, you will raise your Zoom hand. I will hear everybody's voice. All right. So you will raise your Zoom hand. Didi and Bhaiyas can also speak and participate, but they will need to raise their Zoom hands. So what is the first rule?
Raise the Zoom hand.
किसी ने already break किया rule. Shantanu, what is the first rule?
Raise man.
Well done, Shantanu. Stephanie Didi, will you keep points for me? So I want to know who is speaking to me in the conversational English class. Every time somebody speaks to me, I want you to give them a point. Can you do that? And then once we get through 3 or 4 conversational English classes, the children with the most number of points, I will mail them a prize. I will send them a prize. All right, so Stephanie Didi, please will you track the points? Second rule. So, first rule, raise your Zoom hand. Second rule, unless you have taken permission from me, not your Didi Bhaiya, but unless you have taken permission from me, your camera must be on. That is the second rule. Okay, so what is the second rule, please? Lakshmi, what is the second rule, beta?
Camera on.
Camera must be on. For example, the young lady who said just now she's in the hospital, she's taken permission from me, therefore her camera is off. So your camera must be on. Very good. I see a lot of you turning on your cameras, and I have a lot of respect for you making that decision. Good job. Okay, so that's the second rule. Third rule, I want you to have fun when you learn. What do I want you to do?
Fun. Lot of fun.
I'm not counting those answers. Zoom hands ही नहीं है तो Om Prakash, what do I want you to do?
Have lot of fun.
I want you to have a lot of fun when you're learning. This is not like school ka class. This is not like college ka class. I want you to have a lot of fun when you are learning. Because we are doing conversational English and because you can see we are 80 people on this call together, and I'm sure children will connect, you will need a notebook or a paper and pen, because when I give you the conversation that you're going to practice, you will need to write it down. Well done, Atharva, for having that ready to go. All right, well done for having that ready to go. एंड लास्टली, और दीदी भैया से पूछो, मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा सा टकता है इस रूल को लेके. आई नीड एवरीबडी टू बी ऑन टाइम. Okay, from next Tuesday at 7 o'clock, I will close the classroom. So I will not take anybody into the classroom. Akhilesh Bhaiya, are you here, Akhilesh Bhaiya?
Yes, ma'am.
Once I close the classroom, do I let anybody in, Akhilesh Bhaiya?
No, ma'am.
नो मैम। जितने भी स्टोरीज कोई लिखता है, मैम मैं यहाँ था, ये कर रहा था, 10 सेकेंड लेट था, अखिलेश भैया मैं आपसे क्यों पूछ रही हूँ अखिलेश भैया ये क्वेश्चन?
I was late so many times.
एंड आई हैव डन व्हाट टू यू?
You never let me in meeting.
I have not taken you into the class. So you must be on time. You must be on time. All right? That's it. These are my rules. Rule number 1, zoom hand. Rule number 2, camera on. Rule number 3, have fun while you're learning. And rule number 4, please be on time. Can we agree to these rules, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Fareed, you have a question, please?
यस मैम। मैम अगर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, जैसे मैं अपने विलेज में हूँ तो इधर होते रहता है, और उसके वजह से अगर 7 o'clock से 5 से 10 मिनट लेट हो जाएगा
तो मेरा क्लासरूम बंद हो जाएगा।
ओके मैम।
और कोई क्वेश्चंस? बट वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन फरीद, एक्सीलेंट क्वेश्चन। लेकिन अगर आप एक बार जुड़ते हो मेरे क्लास से और फिर नेटवर्क के हिसाब से आप नेटवर्क थ्रोज यू आउट, आई विल टेक यू बैक। फरीद वो समझा, वो सुना आपने?
यस।
ओके तो अगर
दीदी
आप
रिपीट करो।
दीदी रिपीट करो ना प्लीज़। ओके दीदी रिपीट करो ना प्लीज़। तो दीदी रिपीट कर रही है। थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग मी दीदी, मुझे दीदी बहुत पसंद है। ऑल राइट, सो आई एम रिपीटिंग। अगर आप क्लास से जुड़ते हो, कनेक्ट होते हो, और फिर आपके सिग्नल के वजह से आप क्लास से बाहर हो जाते हो और 7:05 हुए, 10 हुए हैं, 15 हुए हैं, मैं आपको क्लास में लूँगी। ऑल राइट, लेकिन आपको पहले जुड़ना पड़ेगा ताकि मैं आपको वापस लूँ क्लास में। अग्रीड? अग्रीड?
Okay, ma'am.
यस।
एक्सीलेंट,
Yes, ma'am.
थैंक यू। खुशी, क्वेश्चन है बेटा?
Should we call you ma'am or didi?
आई प्रेफर दीदी। थोड़ा अपनापन लगता है दीदी बुलाते हो तो। मैम बुलाते हो तो मतलब बहुत दूर का रिश्ता बन जाता है। तो आपकी मर्जी है, लेकिन माय प्रेफरेंस इज दीदी।
Okay, didi.
ओके थैंक यू। सी मेरे लीडर्स ये बात समझते नहीं हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। लेट्स बिगिन एवरीबडी, लेट्स बिगिन। ऑल राइट, conversational English. I'm going to be using the chat box a little bit today. Conversational English. So let's also learn the spelling of conversational. Conversational English. It comes from the verb to converse. To converse. So to converse means to speak to somebody else. Right? Sometimes when we speak, we can speak to ourselves. But when we converse, we are speaking to somebody else, and that somebody else is speaking to us. So that is when we are conversing. So today's class will be where we are conversing. I'm saying something, you're saying something. We are conversing with one another. To converse. That is the verb. Conversation is the noun. What did you converse about? What did you converse about? That is the conversation, right? Sanaya Didi and Friyaz had a conversation. Had a conversation, right? When two people have finished talking about something. Or Sanaya Didi and Friyaz need to have a conversation, right? That is when we both need to speak to each other about something. All right, so to converse is the verb and conversation is the noun. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? All right, so this class is called conversational English. And if to converse means two people or more have to speak with each other, then you cannot learn something in this class if you don't learn to speak. All right, if you don't try to speak, if you don't raise your hand and try to answer the questions. So that is step 1. Step 2, I'm going to teach you today the difference between may I and can I. Let's start here. The difference between may I and can I, right? When do you say can I speak and when do you say may I speak? Or Didi, can I give the answer versus Didi, may I give the answer? Right? Khushi, I'll come to you. Okay, beta? Just 1 second. So, when you have the ability to do something, to be able, when you have the ability to do something, can I stop this class right now? Yes, I can. I have the ability. Right? Somebody translate ability in Hindi.
काबिलियत
क्षमता
क्षमता, दुर्गेश्वरी, क्षमता,
काबिलियत
काबिलियत. ठीक है, काबिलियत है. I have the ability. काबिलियत is more capability, Ashita.
मैम क्षमता
क्षमता, थैंक यू सो मच. मेरे पास क्षमता है क्लास बंद करने के लिए, राइट? बट परमिशन है बंद करने के लिए, दैट इज मे आई. When you are asking somebody for permission, you say may I. Ma'am, may I speak? Permission मांग रहे हो, right? दीदी, may I speak? Permission मांग रहे हो. But if you say can I speak? Yes, you can. मुंह है, voice है, you can speak. आपके पास ताकत है बोलने के लिए, that is not a problem. So, ma'am, may I come to class late today because this is happening? You are asking for permission. Ma'am, can I come to class late today? Of course, you can come late every day. That is upon you. Ability है आपके पास लेट आने के लिए. समझ में आया difference? May I and can I?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
So that's the second thing. Yes, Muskan, question?
मैम मुझे एबिलिटी का थोड़ा कम समझा.
Okay, thank you, Muskan, for being honest and asking the question. Muskan, to be able. That is the verb, to be able. All right? Ability is, Muskan, you can write with your right hand.
यस मिस.
That means you are able to do it. Ability है right hand से लिखना. Can you write with your left hand?
नो दी.
मतलब ability नहीं है. You are not able to write with your left hand. Do you understand what I'm saying?
यस दी.
Okay. Now, do you have the ability to leave this classroom right now? मतलब क्या आप leave meeting click कर सकते हो अभी अगर आप चाहते हो तो?
No.
Yes, you have the ability. Ability है. हाथ पैर चल रहा है ना, अगर आपको लीव करना है तो आप लीव कर सकते हो. लेकिन do you have the permission to leave this meeting?
No.
No. फर्क समझा अभी ability और permission?
यस.
जब आप permission मांग रहे हो, when you are asking for permission, it is may I. If it is, say, who are the two friends? Aanchal and her friend are sitting together, no? Aanchal and Sangeeta. So if they were asking, they would say, may we, right? May we leave this meeting? They would ask for permission. But can we? That's ability. Got it, everybody? Got it, everybody? Great.
यस
Yes,
दीदी.
ma'am.
Yes.
Practice this today. We're going to
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
this today. Now, here is the script of the conversation you're going to practice in your groups today. Okay? Because this is conversational English. So we have to learn to converse, to speak. All right? When you go into your groups, you are going to make partners in your groups. So one person will be speaker A and one person will be speaker B. All right? you will speak the conversation to each other. Then the next pair will speak the conversation, next pair will speak the conversation. Got it, everybody? After every pair has had one turn, you will reverse the roles in the pair and speak again. So for example, अब ये सारे instructions मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी. जब आप अपना ब्रेकआउट रूम में जाओगे, when you go to your breakout room, आपको पार्टनर्स दिए जाएंगे. You will be made partners, right? A और B, right? Speaker A will say the A part and speaker B will say the B part. समझ में आया? अगर आपके ग्रुप में 3 पेयर्स है तो टोटल कितने लोग होंगे आपके ग्रुप में?
6.
रूल नंबर 1 क्या है? थैंक यू.
Raise the hand.
थैंक यू मुस्कान. सो अगर आपके रूम में 3 पेयर्स है तो कितने लोग होंगे? How many people? 6 people.
6.
Thank you so much. 6 people will be there. Okay. Now, if there are 6 people, how many conversations?
3.
Mayuri, how many conversations?
3.
3. Good job. All right. So, if there are 6 people, there are 3 conversations. Once the 3 conversations are finished, अगर आप संगीता और आंचल की एग्जाम्पल देखती हूँ, अगर संगीता इज स्पीकर ए एंड आंचल इज स्पीकर बी, एक बार सारे कॉन्वर्सेशंस खत्म होते हैं तो संगीता बनेगी बी और आंचल बनेगी ए और वापस कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे. समझ में आया सबको? यस? ऑलराइट. So here is your chota sa conversation today. I am going to put it in the chat. If you are not on mute, I'm going to please request that you be on mute so we can hear each other. Monica, can you mute please, beta? Thank you. All right. So here is your conversations. Speaker 1 is the customer. Okay. Speaker 2 is the storekeeper. Okay. So customer, मुझे oranges नहीं मिल रहे हैं. What will I say to the storekeeper? Shantanu, what will I say to the storekeeper if I cannot find the oranges?
I will say that where are the oranges? I will ask.
Okay, you can say where are the oranges. Khushi, what else can we say?
I'm not able to find the oranges today.
Yes, I'm not able to find the oranges today. Well said, Khushi. Muskan.
Can you help me found the orange?
Can?
Sorry.
No, why saying sorry? हमारे क्लास में हम sorry नहीं बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे तो कहाँ पे मिस्टेक करेंगे? So there is no sorry in my class. So Muskan, I'm going to help. So first of all, he can be busy doing something, right? He can be busy doing something. So you will start with, excuse me, sir. I can't seem to find the oranges. May I please request you to help me? Look at the conversation. Excuse me, sir. I can't seem to find the oranges. मतलब मैंने ढूंढा लेकिन शायद मैंने देखा नहीं. I cannot seem to find the oranges. May I request you to help me? So what will the shopkeeper say? Shopkeeper. Store. Clerk. Yes, of course. So may I request you to help me? Yes, of course. Please give me a moment and I will be right with you. All right. What is the clerk saying? एक मिनट दो मुझे and मैं आपके साथ जाऊंगा. Right? I will help you find the oranges. right? Yes, of course. Now remember, when you are conversing with somebody, tone of voice counts. So, yes, of course. Please give me a moment and I will be right with you. And what will the customer say? Sure. Thank you. And then the clerk says, clerk goes, finds the oranges with the customer, gives the oranges and is giving the oranges to the customer. Here you are, ma'am. How many may I pack for you? Do you see that? So he takes her and walks her to where the oranges are and says, here you are, ma'am. How many may I pack for you? Can he pack the oranges? Of course, he has the ability. How many may I pack for you? So the customer says, 6 please. Thank you. And the clerk says, you are most welcome. Please let me know if I may help in any other way. और यहाँ पे आपका conversation खत्म. Got it everybody? Now I'm going to read it with tone of voice. Tone क्या होता है? कैसे हम कुछ बोलते हैं? अंदर आओ. अंदर आओ. That is tone of voice. कैसे हम कुछ बोलते हैं. Alright everybody? So here's your conversation and I'm going to read it. Excuse me, sir. I can't seem to find the oranges. May I please request you to help me? Yes, of course. Please give me a moment and I will be right with you. Sure. Thank you. Here you are, ma'am. How many may I pack for you? 6, please. Thank you. You are most welcome. Please let me know if I may help in any other way. This is your conversation. पेपर पेन निकालो और ये कॉन्वर्सेशन लिखो क्योंकि जब आप अपने ब्रेकआउट रूम में जाओगे ये चैट में अवेलेबल नहीं रहेगा. Right? So I'm going to try and put it on your participants WhatsApp group. Okay, Didis and Bhaias, do you have this conversation written down, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for that acknowledgement. I greatly appreciate it. Okay. The conversation has please been put on both the groups as well. All right, everybody. So now I'm going to put you into breakout rooms. And now I'm going to put you into breakout rooms. Everybody ready? Everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shantanu, you have a question, please? Shantanu, do you have a question? आपका हाथ ऊपर है. Zoom
No,
hand
ma'am.
ऊपर. Okay, then may I request you to lower your Zoom hand? Thank you so much. Atharva, question beta?
Didi, I have question that when we write ma'am, why we put apostrophe mark after M and A?
Oh, that's such a good question, Atharva. Wherever you put an apostrophe in a word, it means it's missing a letter. So, for example, when you write your like this, it actually means you are. Do you see that in the chat box? वो A missing है, right? So, ma'am में ये apostrophe actually the word is madam. तो वो D missing है इसलिए there's an apostrophe. But it is such a good question, Atharva. I'm really proud of you for asking that question. All right. So wherever there is a missing letter, we put an apostrophe. So for example, in this word, in its, it is actually it is. Right? Wherever you see an apostrophe, there is a missing letter. That is why. Yes, Shantanu, question?
Ma'am, is ma'am necessary? Means we have to write ma'am only or we can use sir?
In this conversation for today, I would like you to use ma'am. All right? in this conversation for today, I would like you to use ma'am. But thank you for asking that question, Shantanu. I want your brain to start getting used to certain patterns and certain ways of speaking. All right. Now, थोड़ा डर लगेगा ये conversation करने में? शायद, right? ओम प्रकाश?
नहीं मैम।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं,
मेरे में
बिंदास। मैं ये इतना कहना चाहती हूँ, किसी को डर लग सकता है, किसी को डर नहीं लग सकता है। कोई बहुत अच्छा बोलेगा, कोई बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करेगा बोलने के लिए। हमारे पहचान की दुनिया में सब मंजूर है, सब 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 मंजूर है। किसी को किसी के ऊपर हंसना नहीं है। ऑल राइट, वी विल नॉट लाफ एट एनीबडी। हम हर एक जो कोशिश करता है उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे। सपोर्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं? जब वो लोग हिचकिचा रहे हैं बोलने के लिए, तो ये इमोजीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं, राइट? देखो, आपने देखा मैंने जो इमोजीज़ यूज़ किए हैं, जब कोई हिचकिचाता है हम इमोजीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं। हम चैट बॉक्स में उनको एनकरेज कर सकते हैं, येस यू कैन डू इट, प्लीज़ से वी आर हियर फॉर यू। हमें एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना है आगे बढ़ने में, ओके? हमें एक दूसरे को नीचे नहीं उतारना है। ऑल राइट एवरीबडी? Okay, Didis and Bhaiyas, you will have to take a call whether you are participating in the conversation depending on the number of people in your room. All right, depending on the number of people in your room. But I would encourage you to let them speak, and if somebody wants a second round, you can allow them to do that. All right, everybody. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Okay, all right. All right. So now you can look through the conversation, and while you're writing the conversation, I'm going to make the breakout rooms, okay? So I'm going to be quiet for 2 minutes so I can make the breakout rooms, and you can read your conversation, because once you go to the breakout room, you will not have the conversation, okay? My alumni leaders have also understood what needs to happen, and alumni leaders, I want you all to participate in the conversation, okay? Yes, no, you gotta give me an answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Didis and Bhaiyas, I might move some of you around once we open the rooms, okay? So just be open to receiving a notification to move. Stephanie, you have a question, please?
Yes, ma'am, I do. Please may I ask?
Yes, please ask. Thank you.
So in the last dialogue that the storekeeper has, the
Yeah.
7th dialogue,
Yeah.
you're most welcome. Please let me know if I may help you in any other way, or please let me know if I may help in any other way.
Either is correct, but if you add the you, that is also fine. It, because you're in the conversation, the you is implied, Stephanie. So usually when you are writing, you would put the you, especially if you're writing a formal email. But if you're having a casual conversation and the you is skipped, it is generally accepted. So
Perfect.
either way is fine with me.
Thank you.
Welcome, sweetheart. Thank you for asking. Just 2 more minutes. I'm opening 14 rooms, so it takes time. Yay! All right. So I'm opening the rooms. Please accept. All right, everybody, please accept. Have the best time. Have the conversation. You have about 20 minutes. All right. You have about 20 minutes, and I'll call you back in 20 minutes. All right. To me. Now talk to me. Tell me a little bit about yourselves. Aarti, which school did you go to?
Adarsh Vidyalaya.
So was that an English medium school, Aarti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it was an English medium school. And which college are you are you going to do arts, commerce, science? Talk to me. What are your future plans?
Science. I will go for science.
You want to do science. Okay. Tell me why you want to do science.
Pharmacy.
You want to become a pharmacist, someone who gives out medicine. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Pharmacist. Okay. Someone
Yes,
who
ma'am.
works in a chemist wala dukan or a hospital ka chemist office. That's what you want to be, a pharmacist. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Akhilesh, which school? Yes, Esther.
मैम बहुत नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है.
नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं क्या करूँगी ना, इशिका दीदी को बोलूँगी आपके साथ ये प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए फ़ोन के ऊपर. ओके एस्टर? So I will tell Ishika Didi to call
Okay,
you
ma'am.
and practice with you on the phone. All right? Don't worry. We will teach you one way or the other. Don't worry. All right? Akhilesh, tell
Ma'am.
me which school did you go to, beta, and was it English medium?
English medium.
English medium school. And what do you want to do? Arts, commerce, or science?
Commerce.
So, आगे जाके with a commerce degree, what would you like to do?
Chartered accountant.
Oh, you want to be a CA? Okay. We have some kids who are doing CA through with Pehchan. We have some kids who are doing CA. In fact, one of our children is one of my children is giving the CA final exam in few days. There's an exam, na? So he's giving the CA final exam. So we have somebody who can help you with that. So tell me, this conversational practice was helpful at all today, this class, even though you are from English medium?
Yes, ma'am.
How did it help you?
I have the habit to say back. I overcome with that.
That helped you with that. Akhilesh, how did this practicing of this conversation or this class today help you? You're on mute, beta. Please. Oh, signal gaya. Okay. I'm gonna bring everybody back. Is it close to 8? Yeah. Wow, practice kiya, Lavkush? I mean, Dildar, Lavkush, practice kiya, Bhumika. How was it?
Good, miss. Great.
Yes, great.
How did it help you, Bhumika? How did it help you? Bhumika, unmute, beta. How did it help you?
It helped me to conversation with another person.
It helped you to converse with another person. It helped you to have a conversation with another person. Good job. Lakshmi?
Improve our confidence.
Improve your confidence. Yes, I mean, that is so important, right? To improve your confidence. To improve your confidence is so important. What else? How did this help you? How did this chota sa simple exercise help you? Muskan?
It's nice, Didi. It's nice. Superb. I enjoy.
What did you learn? I'm very, very happy that you enjoyed. What did you learn?
I learned how to speak very well in English.
How to speak better in English. Yes, you definitely learned that. Om Prakash, what about you?
How to speak in English fluently, how to take pause in every commas, and how what is the matlab, how to do the voice modulation when we are in a conversation.
Right, good job, Om Prakash. Very good things to learn. Rutuja.
Didi, I got a chance to improve my conversational skills
Yes, and we love that. Thank you.
and had
Yasin,
lot of fun.
you made a lot of friends. We love that. We love when you all make friends at Pehchan. Good job.
Fun also.
Yasin,
I have learned how to speak with the clerks.
how to speak with the clerk, right? How do you speak politely? How do you get what you need? Good job. Payal, Payal,
I learn about अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क आया तो कैसे बोलना है इसके बारे में और
Yes,
कैसे बोलना है.
yes. कैसे बोलते हैं? Good job. Mayuri,
I learn how to speak in a tone.
how to speak in the right tone. Good job. Fareed,
I improve my English speaking tone.
you improved your English speaking tone. Yes, and the
Yes.
flow. Yes. Alkama.
I learned today how to improve conversation English well and tone.
Yes, well said, Alkama. Thank you. Khushi,
We had 3 rounds for the conversation, so it was great talking with all my mates,
yes,
online mates.
yes, great. Thank you, Khushi, for that. Shanaz,
I learned to speak how to use correct words.
how to use correct words. Shanaz, that is very important to having good conversation, relatable conversation. Muskan,
I learned today how we conversation to each other.
how we converse with each other. Good job, Muskan. Vishaka,
I learned that how to pause in conversation, how to pause in conversation on time.
yes, how to pause at the right time, right? How to pause at the right time when having a conversation. Good job. Diksha,
I learn English conversation.
you learned English conversation. Good job. Shantanu,
I got my conversation skills polished, and I got a chance to once again play in a dialogue
that's right. You
conversational.
got a chance to play in a dialogue and polish your conversational skills. What good English. Thank you, Shantanu. Tamanna,
I had learned that how to speak English fluently.
how to speak English fluently. Okay, great. Thank you, Tamanna. Dildar,
I feel relaxed and I improve my English conversation.
that's right. You feel relaxed. I love that. We need you to feel relaxed. The more relaxed you feel, the better you can learn. So that's great. Sangeeta and Anchal.
Yes, I learned how to speak English, how to set dialogue, किसी के सामने बातों में कैसे इंग्लिश बोलना चाहिए और टोन में बोले थे और दीदी हम लोग को बहुत अच्छे से सिखाई.
Perfect. टोन में बोलना चाहिए,
हम लोग को
कैसे
पार्टनर भी
बोलना
बहुत
चाहिए.
अच्छे.
Who was your दीदी?
सनाया.
सनाया दीदी. सनाया दीदी मुझे बहुत परेशान करती है, लेकिन आपको इतनी अच्छी तरह से सिखाया. आई लव दैट. थैंक यू आंचल. भारती.
I got to learn how to even speak with our expressions too.
Right. So before we close today, I want to share this last bit of information with you. Atharva, I see you. Please tell me.
I learned how to differentiate between Maya and Kanai.
Yes, what a phenomenal thing to learn. Thank you for that, Maya.
दीदी मुझे अच्छा लगा, मैंने कभी किसी से इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करी थी, पहली बार करी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Yay! We love that. तो आते रहना so we can keep doing that. All right. So before we close today, I want to share this information with you, and I will say it to you again and again and again till everybody understands this. All right. So 55% of our communication is body language. I will teach you more about this next time. मैं बस थोड़े facts आपको दे रही हूँ. So 55% means 55% जो हम कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, जब हम किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा शरीर बोलता है. हमारे आँखें, हमारी स्माइल, हम हाथ कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. सो 55%, राइट. कभी ऐसे किसी को देखा है, कोई बात कर रहा है और कोई ऐसे देखता है, राइट. तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज उन लोग का बोल रहा है ना कि वो लोग क्या समझ रहे क्या नहीं. या तो कभी ऐसे कंटाले से देखते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं ना लोग कभी कभी. तो वो उसको कहते हैं हम बॉडी लैंग्वेज. बॉडी लैंग्वेज. सो योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज कम्युनिकेट्स 55%. 55%. खुशी, आई सी यू. ओके बेटा, 1 मिनट. 38% इज योर टोन. हम कैसे कुछ चीज बोलते हैं. हाँ बोला ना, हाँ बोला ना, फर्क पड़ता है उसमें. उसको कहते हैं टोन. तो बचे सिर्फ 7%. सो ओनली 7% आर द वर्ड्स दैट यू यूज. मानो तो जो आप बोलते हो सिर्फ 7% है, इज ओनली 7%. बट हाउ यू से इट इज 93%. अगर दीदी ये इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशनल इंग्लिश क्लास में ऐसे बैठेगी पूरी क्लास, ओके, नहीं हाथ नहीं फेस नहीं कुछ भी ऐसे. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट कॉन्वर्सेशनल इंग्लिश. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट यू इन 2 ग्रुप्स एंड यू विल डू दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन. कितने बच्चे बचते हैं 1 घंटे के बाद?
कोई भी नहीं.
कोई भी नहीं. ऐसे मत बोलो यार,
I
5-10
think
तो
सब हो जाएंगे.
बचेंगे. 5-10 तो बचेंगे, ऐसे मत बोलो कोई नहीं बचेगा.
The
बट
most serious ones will be only left.
हाँ, जैसे दीदी जितने बोरिंग है ना उतने वाले बच्चे, या जो बच्चे बहुत सीरियस है सीखने के लिए तो किसी से भी सीखेंगे टाइप्स, वैसे बचेंगे. राइट. सो we are more, we are, when we are conversing with somebody, we have to speak 93%. We are speaking with our bodies. So that means our eyes, our smile, how our head is turned. बच्चे ऐसे क्लास में बैठते हैं तो टीचर अच्छी रीत से सिखा पाएगी. कैमरा ऐसे रखेंगे. अभी टीचर बोलो क्या बोलना है. टीचर सीख पाएगी, सिखा पाएगी? नहीं. बट इफ द टीचर हैज पुट द कैमरा लाइक दिस, इज सेंटर, अगर टीचर ऐसे भी होगी तो भी कुछ बच्चे बोलेंगे अरे वो सीनरी के बाहर क्या है, वहाँ देखेंगे, टीचर को नहीं देखेंगे. राइट. अगर टीचर ऐसे करेगी, आधा कट गई है, मतलब ध्यान कहाँ है. राइट. सो बट इफ आई एम सेंटर्ड इन माई फ्रेम and I am using my hands and I am explaining little, a lot, little, a lot. Now all of a sudden you can see me, you can see my body language, you can see my eyes, you can see my smile. कभी कभी आप क्लास में ये भी देखोगे मैं ऐसे करूँगी, ऐसे करूँगी, ताकि आप बोर ना हो एक ही एंगल देखने में. राइट. बट ऑल टाइम फ्रेम्ड. नाउ अगर मैं आपको मेरा 100% बॉडी लैंग्वेज दे रही हूँ, दैट इज वाई आई नीड योर कैमरा. राइट. इज माई बच्चा सिटिंग लाइक दिस? इज माई बच्चा टॉकिंग टू समवन एल्स वाइल बीइंग इन क्लास विथ मी? देन आई नो एज अ टीचर, एम आई बोरिंग, एम आई इंटरेस्टिंग, एम आई कनेक्टिंग, एम आई नॉट कनेक्टिंग? तो योर 55% communicates with me and my 55% communicates with you. You see how I'm using the camera? With you. With you. Once you understand the importance of body language, you will use it a lot. Right? As opposed to sitting like this. क्या बोल रही है? मतलब क्या बोल रही है? Right? All right.
It's mostly done by our friends.
So then you have to wonder what you're saying, that your friends are holding their heads.
Yes.
So okay, that is body language. Body language अभी clear हो गया, सबको समझ में आया body language. Now there is
Yes.
tone of voice. Sneha, first of all, I thought you were Shraddha. I had to look twice to make sure you were not Shraddha. You look just like her. Sneha, what is your question?
Oh, ma'am, I have learned conversation with English and I have learned that movement and movement.
Yes, all of that matters. So the last part we're going to talk about is tone, right? Which is बोला ना बर्तन इधर लेके आओ. बोला ना बर्तन इधर लेके आओ. फर्क पड़ता है इसमें?
Yes, of course.
ऑफ कोर्स,
The
मैंने सुना
person who
है आप
to
लोग
whom
कैसे
you
बात करते हो कभी कभी। और फिर आप लोग का फेमस वाला शब्द ए मतलब कौन सा शब्द है पता भी नहीं है मुझे, व्हाट इज ए एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि मेरे भाषा में ए इज सिंगुलर। एन ऑरेंज, एन एप्पल, अ एग, तो ये ए क्या, ए इधर आना, ए इज नॉट अ वर्ड इन एनी लैंग्वेज, and the only thing a does is change the tone of voice. So we are going to practice no a. All right, all right everybody, you have done really well today. I'm very proud of you. We started with a basic conversation, so next Tuesday we have some of your friends who have requested that we start earlier. So we are going to meet at 5:30 on Tuesday, okay? Not 7 o'clock, we're going to meet at 5:30. So 5:30 to 6:30. And this is how the class will work every Tuesday. I will explain a concept. After the concept, I will give you a short dialogue. The dialogues will become longer. The more you can the more fluent you become, the easier English becomes for you, the longer the conversations will be. All right. So I will explain one concept, like today I explained may I and can I. So I will explain one concept and then we will have a conversation around that concept. Okay. Now, for those of you who are seriously interested in learning, this is not mandatory. Okay, this is optional. तो जो लोग सीखना आगे चाहते हैं, दैट ये फंडा आपके दिमाग में फिट हो जाए, ये बैठे आपके दिमाग में, आई हैव एन असाइनमेंट फॉर यू. रेडी? हियर इज योर असाइनमेंट. Stephanie Didi is like this. What is your assignment? Tell me. Okay, here is your assignment. You have to find a partner. Okay, it can be your friend also, it can be a pehchan friend, it can be a pehchan didi, it can be your neighbor, it can be anyone who will practice this conversation with you. And your best version of the conversation, I want you to video and put it on the participants group. Okay, so you will practice 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. जब आपको लगे ये conversation perfect हुआ, body language, tone, सारे words perfectly आ रहे, they have to match my script. Don't make up words, right? So once you get your perfect script in place, then you send that video on the group. Now, I don't believe in tests, I don't believe in exams, I don't believe in marks. I believe in prizes. And we are accumulating a number, a total number. And those of you who have the highest number of points after a certain amount of time, we will send you prizes. So you should watch your mail because you will get prizes after a certain amount of time. All right? So do the homework. Be your best version. Learn your English. Step up. Teach other people English and participate with us. All right, everybody? Your next class is tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have a question. Where we have to send
One second. You will please raise your Zoom hand. I will come to everybody. I'm giving everybody a turn. I will give you a turn. Okay? So, I see Stephanie, I see Sneha, I see Khushi. I'm coming to all of you. All right? So, stay there with your hands raised. Everybody else, tomorrow is your GK class. आप जो बैच में थे, आपको वही बैच में आना है. All right? आपको वही बैच में आना है. All right? And Thursday, I think is Rakshita Didi's English class. तो आपको वो क्लास में अगर जुड़ना है तो आप जुड़ सकते हो. And Friday is Fun Friday. GK का क्लास पहचान में मैंडेटरी है और फन फ्राइडे क्लास पहचान में मैंडेटरी है. बाकी के क्लासेस हम मैंडेटरी नहीं रख रहे. All right? So your GK class and your Fun Friday you must attend. Tuesday conversational English and Thursday English class, those are optional classes for you. All right? But I will tell you this. I don't know what Rakshita is going to do in her class, but I will tell you what I will do in my class. If you keep being absent and keep coming every एक हफ्ते आए 2 हफ्ते नहीं आए, I will not take you, because my children will learn very fast. So then, because you are not consistent and you have not learned, you will make somebody else go slow. Do you understand what I am saying? So it is important to me that you stay consistent. So Stephanie and Khushi, I see you. I'm going to take quick screenshots so I have attendance of everybody who is here, because we started with more children and we've ended up with less children, and I'm interested in the children who are here. All right, Stephanie, what's your question, please?
My question is for everybody who will be recording the video. There are two dialogues, like there are two people talking. So how will they do it? Like if one person is recording a video, if I'm practicing and I'm practicing my dialogues as a customer, and I don't have somebody else to practice with, and even if I have somebody else to practice it with, how do I record it?
So, what a great question. Thank you for asking. We have free Zoom accounts on which the two of you can get on and practice it and record the video. Second thing that you can do is those of you in person, like Sheetal and Aanchal are together, or their neighbor and them may be together, so they can ask someone to record it for them. And worse comes to worse, you record yourself doing one dialogue, then you record yourself doing the other dialogue. The goal is to practice saying the words in those sequences with the correct body language and the correct tone. Got it? Perfect. Thank you, Stephanie, for that question. Khushi, you have another question, Stephanie?
It is actually a follow-up question. So in the free Zoom account, if you don't have a laptop, it doesn't let you record.
Okay, so here, I mean, these are the options I've given you. You can do the individual dialogue, either you do the clerk and then you do the customer, and you can send those. The goal is to practice the English, or if you're in person with somebody, have somebody video that conversation. Yeah, thank you, Khushi.
I didn't understand where we have to send the video.
On WhatsApp, there is a participants 2021 group. All the participants are on that group. On that group, please. Anybody else have any questions? Anybody else have any questions? अच्छा लगा सुवोजित भैया questions जल्दी बोलो.
I don't have question, but ma'am, when we have our next session at 5:30, you said we have next conversation session at 5:30. So I have another session with Clay Lab at 6. So how can I attend?
Oh, okay.
And in Fun Friday also, there is from 6 from class from 6. So how can we attend?
Let me talk to Rashna ma'am and get you an answer for that, Suvajit, please. All right. Thank you for asking that question. Thank you. Okay. Any other questions, please? Any other questions? Khushi, any questions? No. All right. I hope you had fun today. Shantanu, what's your question, beta?
Ma'am, when will you send the homework?
I just gave you the homework. मैं क्यों भेजूंगी homework? आप भेजोगे homework.
Ma'am, means script that you.
Script is on the group, beta. Script is on the group. जो script आपने अभी आज practice किया, that script. Okay? My God, जब मैं बोल रही हूँ questions है तब कोई हाथ नहीं उठाता है. संगीता, what is your question?
मैम नेटवर्क इशू था इसलिए वो कैमरा बंद हो गया. तो आपने कुछ बोला था.
मैंने होमवर्क दिया. मैं ग्रुप पे वीडियो भी भेजूंगी कि होमवर्क क्या है, या ऑडियो नोट भेजूंगी. ठीक है? थैंक यू आंचल. मायूरी, क्वेश्चन बेटा.
दीदी ये हम हमारे दीदी और भैया के साथ कर सकते हैं?
ऑफ कोर्स, क्यों नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स. ओम प्रकाश.
मैम जब भी हम लोग वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे तो वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में जो 2 जन है, मतलब जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स, अगर हम लोग पहचान के पार्टिसिपेंट्स के साथ कर रहे हैं तो इंट्रोडक्शन देना पड़ेगा कि हाँ मतलब हम दोनों कर रहे हैं, ओम प्रकाश एंड.
Not necessary. Not necessary. Not necessary. Okay. All right. Are we done with questions? You learned something new today? Ma'am, always. This is like every class. It never fails. It never fails. Akhilesh Bhaiya, what is your question?
दीदी मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, he didn't attend today's session. So how can I tell him about this?
So, Akhilesh Bhaiya, this class will be uploaded on our YouTube पहचान channel. So, आप YouTube पहचान चैनल पे जा सकते हो और ये क्लास वापस से रिव्यू कर सकते हो और आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी सीख सकते हो और आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी सिखा सकते हो. Thank you, Akhilesh Bhaiya, for that amazing question that you had planned previously. Good job. Sangeeta and Aanchal, one more question, please.
दीदी हम दोनों एक दूसरे से कन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, yes, you may. Yes, you may. May we have this conversation with each other? Yes, you may. Yes, you may. All right. Anything else? देखना 1 सेकंड में मैं बाय बोलूँगी तो एक और हैंड ऊपर जाएगा. All right. Bye everybody. Have the best night. I am super proud of all of you for staying for 1 hour and 15 minutes in this class. I'm super proud of you for participating. Please keep coming and leveling up. देखो मैंने बोला ना एक और हाथ ऊपर जाएगा. ये तजुर्बा है, इसको तजुर्बा कहते हैं. Yes, Sneha, question.
It's not a question. I want to tell you that this section was really was nice, and I am happy to see you, ma'am.
Thank you. Most welcome. I am always happy to see you all. But now I'm disconnecting this call. Okay, everybody? Go have a great night. Have a great night. Practice your English. See you next Tuesday. I love you abundantly. Be good to yourselves. Be good to each other. And I will see you soon. Okay? Bye, everybody. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.